Hello there, my lovelies. This is Jana here. Welcome to my channel. So today we're going to make my son's favorite food, which is rice Piemontese, which has nothing to do with the Piedmont, but it is very popular in Brazil. This is a very proper food, and I'm gonna serve it with Seitan steak and a brown sauce. Both I have made before, so click there. That's the recipe that I'm using. And apart from that, let's get started because it's super duper easy. So we start by cooking rice, any kind of rice of your preference. However, it tastes better, according to me, of course, if it's a white rice. Jasmine rice or regular white rice, it's better than whole wheat, but it's up to you. You prefer also the white rice, makes it prettier because this dish, as you've seen in the intro, it's super white and creamy, but that's actually your preference. Like I say all the time, you do you. So we're going to start by sweating onions in butter. I have a recipe for a vegan butter over there, so click it. And with the onions. Now, of course, you can saute the onions in water. I didn't want to make it whole food, plant-based this time because this is a treat. But if you want to do it in water instead of butter or oil, just go for it. And again, like I said before, the beauty of this dish is the color or the lack of thereof. So we're not looking for color in the onions, okay? Just until they become translucent. I'm gonna add garlic powder, but if you're going to add chopped garlic, this is the time, and then you let it here for 40 seconds. So now I'm adding my cooked rice. This is a super fast dish. And now mix it all together. Like I've just said, this is my son's favorite dish. Bernardo, if you're watching, baby, Mama loves you. And every time he comes here, I make it for him. The last time that he came, or the time before, I don't remember, I made this like 2 nights in a row because he's like, Mom, I can't get over. This is so delicious. Right, now I'm going to add white pepper because, like I said, I want this dish to be clear, like a bright looking color, and garlic powder and a pinch of salt. Just a pinch of salt because when I cooked my rice, I added salt. Now we add the sliced champignons. You know, the canned ones? Those are the ones. Oh, but I want to use fresh champignons or mushrooms. Of course you can. You can do whatever you want. I'm trying to stick to the original recipe here. It's not original because it's vegan, but I'm trying to, so you get the point. And then you modify it according to your taste. And now, here I have my vegan cream, which is just cashews and water, and this is it, nothing else, okay? But you can use store-bought ones, whatever kind of cream you're used to. I stopped buying processed vegan cream because this is the easiest thing to make, I think, in the kitchen. You just mix the almonds or the cashews or whatever kind of nuts together, and then you have it. So you don't need to buy it, actually. Oh my God, guys, this looks amazing. Way too high. The temperature. Careful not to burn it. You can't burn it at all. No. Now, if you feel it needs a little bit of water, by all means add it, and a little bit of nutritional yeast because this dish has Parmesan, I think. No, I'm sure. But we're not going to add Parmesan. This is so close to home. This used to be, back in the 80s, such a sophisticated dish, and I don't know why, because everything here is so simple. And ready. nothing else to add here now. I'm just gonna plate it. Oh, there is something else actually. A few drops of lemon or lime, and just to add some sharpness and to increase the savoriness and bring all the flavors together. My sister was watching my video here the other day and she's like, Jana, you were salivating all the way through the video. She was laughing at me. Uh-oh, okay, I gotta go. I gotta turn off because I'm getting some bits and pieces that get stuck in the bottom. Okay, I'm gonna plate it. Be right back. And here we have our rice piemontaise with Seitan steak and a brown sauce. Or you can make a gravy also. I have tons of recipes for a gravy. Look at that. Oh my God. So you can click over there or head to my website. Here I am salivating again. I know, right? But like really, how can you not? How can you not? So I can't wait to see. I mean, really, I have no words other than superb, magnifique, or in Portuguese, magnífico, or bonzão. And this is it for today. Don't forget to tag me on Instagram and Facebook if you make it, because I promise that if you make it, you're gonna get addicted. It's super delicious. And follow me on my social media. And what else I was gonna say? Yeah, this is it. Apart from that, be kind to each other, and let's take care of each other. We're almost through this. This is almost over, and I see you next time. Have a fabulous week, and until then, bye.